Morning in Roma. Cab just got here. Boys are about to head to the Rome airport, where we're taking 2 flights today. First one to Athens, next one to Mykonos. It's another long travel day. Dropping the keys off now and we're gonna get on the road. Me at the crab house, yo. Boys just made it to Athens airport. Got about an hour till our next flight into Mykonos. Pretty chill airport. Boys have officially made it to Mykonos. He's here now. Boys are in Mykonos now, about to head down to dinner. Beautiful night. Out here right now at the windmills of Mykonos, one of the more famous spots on the island of Mykonos, watching an absolutely beautiful sunset and watching this cruise ship depart off the island. Moments like this make you really appreciate life. Some people wonder where Mike's been. Making the flash.
Nick. Damn, what the hole?
Hole in the wall. Mykonos nights, Mykonos flights. Alright guys, give you a quick tour of the Mykonos Airbnb. Come in, got the living room, got where Mike's gonna be sleeping. We got a little kitchen right here. Bathroom. Got Pace's room. Nice little room down here. We go upstairs. Last night a DJ, take Pace's life. We got my bedroom up here. Nice little room. And then this is the best spot. This is what makes the entire, oh, third time I hit my head on that. This is what makes this Airbnb awesome. The rooftop balcony. Just elite. Gorgeous. Beautiful night. Boys are headed on a boat tour tomorrow to one of the surrounding, or 2 of the surrounding islands of Mykonos. Should be a good day, but I'll check in with you guys tomorrow for Mykonos Day 2. Beautiful place. Boys just got off the boat in Delos, out on the cruise today in Mykonos, checking out Delos and then Renia, 2 of the islands surrounding Mykonos. It's a windy day, sun's finally starting to break through, so hopefully it gets a little warmer. The water out here is beautiful.
Mike!
Mike.
Alright guys, the camera's about to die and unfortunately I forgot to bring one of my other batteries out here. I'm gonna miss out on the footage on Renia, but look at this view on Delos. I'm headed to the peak right now. Boys are a little bit behind me. We only have 30 minutes left out here, so I want to get to the top. Even if they don't want to go to the top, I'm gonna climb it. Look at this view. Gorgeous. But like I said, if the camera dies, try and get some footage on my phone on Renia. With the last little bit of battery I got, guys, I made it to the top. Insane views. Definitely a workout, but can't beat these views. Got Mykonos right behind me. Wow. See you guys soon. See you later, Nick. Yeah. You made it. Oh. Let it go. You missed it. Too windy. Put it back. Put it back. Another day out in Mykonos. Boys were out at the clubs till 5, 6 a.m. last night, so it's definitely a long one. Probably end up doing it again tonight. Just out walking around, doing a little shopping right now, and get some massages here in a little bit. Super windy day out here though in Mykonos today. It's a good thing we got on that boat tour yesterday and not today, because this wind's ridiculous. Probably 30-mile-an-hour winds right now. Little ATV day for the boys. Ten minutes on the ATVs and we already lost Mike. Just gassed up here at this gas station. Windy day out here too, but pretty dope to just ride ATVs around this whole island. The island width-wise is only 10 miles wide. Only takes about 30-35 minutes to get across the entire island, so we'll probably end up driving the entire island today. But we're gonna wait here till we find Mike. Hopefully he shows up soon. Off. Absolutely gorgeous beach. Tight, beautiful. Good, still got the helmet on. how do you feel? Mykonos ATVs?
So awesome. Must do.
Boys just made it down to the Paradise Club or the Tropicana Club. Yeah, I think the Tropicana Club.
Panorama Mike. Don't let him panorama.
Couple of drinks at the Paradise Club. Beautiful spot. About to hop on the ATVs and go somewhere else though, so check in with you guys there. I feel like I've said this a few times on this trip already, but this is what life's about, guys. Just getting on an ATV, going wherever you want, posting up, having some drinks, having some good eats, riding around an island you've never been. Really is what life's all about. In America, we put work above everything else, and I think that's what this trip showed me more than anything, is that a good work-life balance is more important than anything. People out here in Europe, a lot of them only work 6-7 months of the year. The entire rest of the year, they travel and relax and enjoy life for what it is. In the States, I feel like we forget about that balance a lot, so that's what I'm gonna take away most about this trip. Hopefully some of you guys will take that away from watching this too.
Pinky Beach, Mykonos.
Mike, tell them what you're eating.
Masala.
And what is that?
It's like a salted fish roe dip.
Mike loves this dish. Pace likes this dish a lot too.
I fucking hate it.
Fishy.
This is it though. It's the saltiest thing you've ever tasted. If you're not a seafood person, I don't recommend. But if you are, Mike highly recommends.
Well, nah, there he is. Let's go, about to win, baby. Vamos. Get out of here, dude.
Mykonos, Mykonos, Mykonos.
Just got to the other end of the island. Electric lighthouse on this hill.
Get that?
My shit hit a bump and went right hard as fuck, almost went to the wall.
You just get me almost eating it too?
Yeah, of course I did.
Wind that.
Last day in Mykonos.
I hate you.
Yoga.
I hate everyone.
How do we feel?
I don't want to leave Mykonos.
The boys have just arrived back in Athens. Last night of the journey here in Athens after a long day leaving Mykonos today. Headed to the Airbnb now. Yeah, keep you posted on what else we do. After a hectic and a hungover day, we just got to the Athens B&B. Give you guys a quick tour of it right now. Sun is setting, boys are hungry, boys are tired. So I'll show you it real quick and then we're gonna go get some dinner. Got one balcony out here. We got a little kitchen Come up these set of stairs. And we got another balcony. We got Mike. We got this bedroom, the main pace, bathroom. And then, last but not least, come up to the top floor. It's where Mike's gonna sleep, got another bathroom. This view. Absolutely gorgeous. Got the Acropolis behind us, got the Parthenon behind us. Type beautiful. Looks like Metropolis. Last night of the journey. The boys are out in Athens for some dinner.
I think it was crazy. Another cool city.
Yeah, Athens is a massive city. Traffic, the hustle and bustle.
A lot of nice stuff too.
It's real out here. Mike, what is it called?
Mares.
Dr. Luke Mares.
Last day in Europe. Boys are headed to the Acropolis right now. Type cloudy one out here today, but not a bad day. Oh shit, it's Mike and them. Boys just got done eating breakfast. Headed up to the Acropolis now to check it out before we head to the airport. Definitely got a little bit of a climb ahead of us. Just got up to the Acropolis. Line to get in is absolutely insane. So yeah, we could try and just walk into the exit. I have a thing. Not making it up to the Acropolis. They saw Mike, said we weren't allowed in. Nah, but in reality, they let a limited amount of people up there. There's a ton of people here already. We don't have the time to wait 3 hours to go up there, so we're not. The city of Athens is massive, absolutely massive.